The pricing of the Google Pixel Watch might disappoint you, but today we have a great news because the first ever official look of the Google Pixel Watch is here, thanks to the official Pixel Watch teaser that has been released by Google. Now this teaser has confirmed the first ever look of the upcoming Pixel Watch and it's looking nice. It will be coming with a circular design which is kind of a remind me about the Galaxy Watch 5 which has the same looking circular design. And the good news is that the Pixel Watch is different in that regards because it has a circular button on the side, which is look exactly same as the Apple Watch button. And if you know the Apple Watch button, it is used to control the application. So we can expect similar functionality of the Google Pixel Watch. Judging upon that particular design, I think that Google has taken the inspiration from Apple and Samsung and combining both of them into their own Pixel Watch. And as far as the size of the Pixel Watch, it looks good. And the first look gave us an idea that it will have a size of 40 to 44 mm, which is nice. Also, this watch looks a little bit thicker, which means we might actually going to see a heart rate sensor for the Pixel Watch as well. The whole frame is protected by Gorilla Glass as it is mentioned on the teaser, which is nice because it provides a strong durability and scratch resistance. We also hope it will be having a water resistance, which is going to be standard right now in the watches. Now, the strap of the Google Pixel Watch has been also confirmed with the different color options. You might be surprised that Google will be using a proprietary strap system instead of the regular one, which is going to be a nice addition. And if you have the older strap for the fitness band, then they are not going to be used in that particular watch. Also, this teaser showcases a range of the new color options, which includes stainless steel, black and rose gold, hazel, lemongrass, chalk and charcoal. So you have a plenty of collection for the strap colors as well. Now, one of the biggest thing will be the pricing, how Google is going to be setting up the price. And if you look at the leaks and rumors right now, it might disappoint you because it has been rumored that Pixel Watch will cost you around $350 for the Wi-Fi variant and $50 more, which is $400 for the LTE variant, which is quite expensive because when we compare it with Samsung Watch 5, it will cost you around $279 for Wi-Fi and $309 for the LTE variant. So definitely this is a huge price if the leak is true. Now, the good news is that according to previous leak, the battery of the upcoming Pixel Watch will be great. It will have a 300 milliamp of a battery capacity, which we hope will last longer. As far as the processor is concerned, this is not good because rumor claims that Samsung 9611 processor might be actually being using by the Google Pixel Watch. So I think it's not a good decision because Exynos does not have a good reputation and still it's an old 2018 chipset if Google is using. Snapdragon latest chipset is going to be the best option because it will be optimized for battery and it's going to be even better in terms of the performance. And you guys, if you are interested in the iPhone 14 comparison videos, then here are the links of them. Do check them out. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.